Are you in pharma, chemicals, paints, or food processing? Struggling with batch tracking, compliance, and production planning? Meet eresource Bpro, the AI-powered, no-code ERP built just for process manufacturers. Batch number tracking, full traceability from production to distribution, shelf life and expiry management, use products on time, stay compliant, first expire, first out, FEFO inventory, reduce waste, ensure quality, blending and mixing process management, precision control for every batch, compliance management meets CGMP, FDA, and 21 CFR standards. And much more. Formulation and bill of materials, perfect mix every time. Production planning and process definition, plan, produce, and optimize. Quality control and stability testing, consistent quality, zero risks. Purchase and material management, never run out of stock again. Asset and preventive maintenance. Keep your machines running smoothly. Powered by Azalea AI, Bpro runs on a no-code framework, meaning zero coding, ultra-fast implementation. Plus, it's agile. Go live 3 times faster than traditional ERPs. No waiting, just results. eResource Bpro comes in 3 versions to fit your needs. Light, essential modules for small and mid-sized manufacturers at an affordable price. Prime, advanced features and scalability for growing enterprises. Enterprise Edition, full control, unlimited access for large organizations. So, if you're a process manufacturer, why struggle? Go Bpro, go smart. Connect now with our advisors for a free demo.